KABOOM! Let's go! Today is Dynamite Day and I hope you're all doing fine. Hello Zeki, hello Gizi. How are you? That sounds amazing, yeah! Good car and good soundtrack. Yes, yes, yes. We have a lot to do. I have a bit prepared, but I hope we make it through it because it's a lot that is planned for today. We are introducing, hello Shadow, the very first explosive to the game. Oh, sorry, it was already swapped. Boop, 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 boop. Here we are. You're just working a bit, just a bit for the camp. Zeki, you are underwhelming. You're doing a lot. Don't make yourself smaller. I have two wonderful assets, a small and a big one. And it's already looking very, very good from the start. So there is not that much to do for us. Some slight improvements maybe. And then we can export this. I have to first of all check. This is a bit big for some explosive. With 7 meters height, we will make this a bit smaller. But first let's have a look. We have two different sizes here. This is the small pack. It contains a let's say a dynamite piece, and this will be the fuse. And since I have to tell you, since the this type of explosive is made by the Aurelians, it contains of course alchemy. Means that little piece in the front here is a vial, and when you shake it hard enough, then the two liquids inside will mix and they will cause the explosion. So this will be some nice little thing, a twist on the normal explosive stuff you already know from other games. And I really like it. What else we have to do? We need some glass part here with the explosive inside, that of course. And then we have a lot of metal and brass going on here to make this work. I wonder why this is such a beautiful side. I love it, I love it. But I think we can make this one a bit thicker so the fuse is more prominent, that fuse part. No biggie, we can do this. I will just try to stretch it on the y-axis a bit more. See if we can stretch it on the x. I mean, we have the space, you know, we can use it. We'll take just some of those lines here and we'll push them upwards. To make it a bit thicker. As I said, more prominent. Because yeah, this has to be a banger. Sorry for the worst pun of the day. This. Let's see what's inside. Gotta get this side, yes. Yo. Getting somewhere. Now take those two sides. Just push them a bit outwards. This is good. So this is less of small thingies and more brutality. Next thing I would like to do is to take care of the smoothing, because this is pretty hard. Focus on the low poly aspect. So let's change this. I will do some auto smooth first. That's good for the start. And now we just make sharp what needs to be sharp. It's a good start. Let's sharpen at least those two. Yeah, this is good. So this is a bit more softened. This can definitely work. Okay, now to the cutting. We need at least a good cut somewhere down here for that pipe part. So let's mark a seam here. We need a seam on top and front. And do, oh, you're filling the whole part. Okay. I need to make this a seam as well, and one on the side. So we have one basic seam going all over the place. Thank you for the wood. And hello, LKW Peter. You are at the right moment here when I start to create something special. So you have to be a seam, definitely. You, let's make you one. You as well. And I think we can get rid of some of them. Yeah, this side is completely unseen. Let's just delete the face. That's too much, unfortunately. That one on the bottom. You can go, I would say. Okay, I can't delete you because you are important. What about the back side here of that baby? Let's see if I can touch it. That one. Delete the face. That can work. Now a lovely seam here and there. You need one as well, and I think that's all for the small version. Let's go to the UV edit. It already has some decent. I wonder what is what. Let's check on it. So this was intended to be the fluid, but we don't need that part here since we have everything we need in a second material. Those will be separate. Let's maybe select them and give them one material. I call it liquid, and we assign just that part. And I can select invert, and the inversion becomes gets the other one. Body material assign. We have two. I will make this colored. Oh, we got now those two separate. Since we only need them, we can maybe do some adjustments to the rest. Minimum stretch part. There's not enough seam yet. Select, invert, view, minimum stretch. Yep. We can totally forget about that part, because we don't need it. This looks like the main body. That's nice. Let's see what we can stack on top. Everything that is like you. This will make our job way, way easier later. I've already played around with some dummy of that. That was already fun. I hope we will have the time and the option to test it, because I haven't. But so far I like the idea. Let's line all these. I can definitely imagine that shaking that bomb can be super, super like satisfying. Please get everything. They don't feel like they belong together, but I can surely say they do. Bam, 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 bam. Wait. I can't believe the weekend is already over. I hope you had a nice fun time. I had, but it felt like the time was just rushing and it was gone. I don't know where the time went. Right. Align horizontal now. By the way, the explosive was Zeki's idea. I'm asking her what could be interesting to do next, since I'm still working on some multiplayer adjustments to make everything nice and beautiful. And yeah, since that's nothing that is really interesting to show, I would say, that means I have to do something different on stream, which is totally fine for me. So you have something nice to look at. Not me just crying my eyes out because, yeah, it's taking so long. But yeah, what I already did is I fixed the crafting mechanic. That does work again. I fixed climbing. So now everyone has their own climbing and not something shared. Because last time we tested, Yeezy was having my my haptic feedback, and now that's properly separated. The wood cutting is working again, and right now, because yeah, I felt like it, I was replicating the insect hunting with a net, because yeah, it's such a super fun thing, I would say, to just run after them, and I really enjoyed it. So let's see, for that material of the body we now need the image. Do I have it here? No, I have to grab it. Textures. I'm just using my basic metal stuff, not the crystal. Where is Metal Master? No, clay, metal. Yeah, I've seen the wonderful work that's done by Bun Bun. This lucky soul is able to, or allowed to use Substance Painter. Wonderful piece of software, but unfortunately nothing that I can afford right now. First, let's work with black and white stuff. So we have just the gradients here, and can freely work with whatever we need here. Rotate you. No, you're not matching, unfortunately. And let's take you. Could go inside here as well. I just stack them because, yeah, it's nothing special. Those sides are pretty repetitive because they are these parts here. This is a bit more interesting, this baby here. It's this top cap. A bit on here. There's another one. Like this. Bam. Who's next? Big one, the main body. Oh, this is difficult, I'd say. You maybe use this here over and over again and see how it's looking like. But then we are missing on that part of like more roundness. Let's see. I will just have a little try. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So if we take these and mirror them on the right. What's wrong with you? I want to mirror X. I have to do this piece by piece, unfortunately. I wonder how many sides I should put together. Maybe 2 and 2 and 2. that could be done. If we take this as our main part, then you have to go here. You have to go, wait. Go here. Go in the center again. It's a bit folded. Like this. 90 rotation. Then we have two sides going around. What if we can do something about the alignment here? And we get into that territory. Let's try this one instead. Just see how it's looking like. And I don't like how they are behaving, so change it a bit. And I take side by side. Activate you. Yeah, let's separate them. A bit more freedom. We're getting seams here. No, they're all separate. Yep, that's better. And I can place them wherever I want. First, just stack them to have everything in one size. Bit of a cleanup. And then we can grab them and move them individually, so we have a bit more freedom. I wonder. That can look good. So we have some sort of little highlight up here. You can see it coming together here at this point. Not you, you are flipped. You as well. This is nice, this is sweet. Let's take you and mirror you and move that part to the other side to get some variation in here. Same goes for you. That's sweet. So it's not that regular. Let's see, what are we having here? This baby. I want to make these darker. I just put them here. What if I make I could stretch you on that axis? Hey. Hello, Phil. How are you? I'm creating some fun explosives. What are you doing? Oh, looks like I unfortunately moved that one. How did that happen? SX0 flatten. SY0 flatten. Something inside. Oh, I'm. You are maybe. Yep. Something we don't need. We can delete you because everything inside will be material only. So that's a thing. I have to do some alignments here. Bit of straightening. Yeah, I fixed it again. I broke it and I fixed it. So now to you, maybe. You, my darling, are here. See how you're looking without the highlight. Bit of weird behavior because we're getting over there. So let's squish it a bit so it's still fitting inside. Wish we could move that. Let's see. Hidden. Just a bit of excellent cheating to hide what I don't want to show. You're programming a bit. Ooh, what are you programming, Bill? Tell me. I'm super curious because I love programming stuff. Virus, welcome. How was your stream? We move you a bit more to the center. So this is our centerpiece. Have to just bring that inside. I'm fine. I'm making some explosives. How could I not be fine? Yeah, I can totally think that learning Japanese is hard. But I'm sure if someone is able to pull it off, then it's you. It's gotta be you. Wonder what if we make this half light, half dark. Make it a bit more interesting. And we need the caps. Let's see what we can do about them. Yep. Tab A. I would say we rotate another 180. This is wrong. Yeah, this is bottom part. I wanted to have the bottom part there, top part there. Now we can scale it up. So I want that little edge down here. I can also try is to get this done here. Then we stretch this part until here. Not cheap, not that way, like this. I squish it down to make it a bit shorter. Now we have an edge. And you're getting the light top. Ta-da! Yeah, this will going to be some dynamite form, but instead of a fuse that reacts to fire, we are having some little vial here with 2 liquids, and if you shake it hard enough, then they will mix up and start the reaction. Because we can. Do the same trick here. I need to know where the bottom and the top part is. So this is that way around. Thank you, LKW Peter. Yes, I want a lot of yeah, and since the culture of the Aurelians is super hyped on having alchemy, then their explosives have to be alchemy, of course. What else? Beautiful, beautiful. What do you think about the overall grading part here? I know it's not done yet because we have to do first I have to save a lot of work still. You're not a plant, you're an item. Quickly saved. Let's bring that baby in here, and it could look better if we stretch those. Let's give it a try. I can't stretch them even more. Only stretch them this way. Get less of these cuts at the side. Of arranging. Now, yeah, I like it more like this. Quickly save, and now we can go to the shader editor and show you how a color input multiply. We mix them. Need something brassy, I would say. And of course we need more metallic. Needs to be full. That's not bad for a quick thingy. This can look good. Zeki, what are you saying? Boss-chan? This can really do a bit. I will save that for now. And I try to make the big one in the same way. But as you can see, there are a lot of blue lines, and blue lines are standing for hard cuts. So I will select all, and we take away the sharps. Now everything is way softer now. And we only make sharp what needs to be sharp. Only these most important edges here. Mark sharp. The rest is smooth. Again, we will stretch this bit. Make it a bit thicker. Because we can. Okay. Then we want to kaboom stuff. Already prepared a sound for that. I hope it's okay for the start. And if you find something that is fitting better, then of course just let me know and we can adjust everything. But my plan so far is to have some liquid sound when it's activated, so you can hear it. Some sizzling, some boiling, how it's building up. And this will do, I hope so, a really good job. Now let's quickly check on those babies here. What if I move you together like this? Then we can delete some of those sides here. Like you and you. Let's see what happens if I say I want to dissolve the face. Maybe let's just try to delete the face. I need more inside. One of these sides. And there is one face. And I can just bring them together. Those dots here, then nobody will miss them. Let's see what happens. What? That's not what I wanted. Did I select something wrong? You should just come together. Yes. Someone is rebellious here. I can fix that. We just overlap you and nobody will see. No need to render sides that nobody will see. So that's good. Now to the card. We will make them inside, of course. Hello, Super Bro, and welcome. Do you want to make some dynamite with me? Those, of course, have to be. Hello? Mark seam. And since we have deleted those faces, they should be just single ribbons. Ribbon. I'll cut you here and there. I haven't done anything to the bottom sides yet. Let's make, oops, not the sharps, but the seams. I've been around in the ATT Discord and Project Campfire. I have been a community manager for... Have you been community manager for ATT for a while? Yes. I'm taking care of the community since November last year, I think. So welcome to the project that I'm doing when I'm not community managing. I think I deleted the wrong one. Right one, wrong one. Looking right. Good. There are the other ones. One with the faces. Now we can bring them together. Or at least put them onto each other. Yes, this will be some beautiful and alchemy-based dynamite piece. Very good observation. Now the last side to close. Like this, bam. Fine. Now I think we got all the cuts we need from the main body. Now to that part. We go inside here. Delete that face. And that face. And we look inside. I hope I can, yeah, select this face as well to delete. And this in the middle. Beautiful. Now to the cards. So let's cut it here and there. So seams are clear. Oh, I haven't done a seam for right, the cap. Sorry, cap and one cut down there. We need caps for these. And of of course, for all of them here as well. And then we got it. Yep, that's it. So let's give everything, but not these here. You will receive the material body and you will get the liquid assign. Now this is without everything. Hey Shroomy! Welcome, welcome! And thank you for your follow. I'm making some nice dynamite. Oh, chocolate milk. Sounds delicious. Now to the UV edit. I will select everything but the glass part here. So we invert our selection. I have to open that. Oh no, it's not getting that. Sadly. I have to select here my stuff again. Assets, textures. You know you're down here, Metal Master. Now we can see. Fresh unwrap. Oh, you're not correct. You're looking weird, darling. What's happened? What has happened? Oh, it's that part. I have to fix this. You need one cut down here. Yes, perfect. So again, select everything but those. Whoops. A3, but those sides. Low. Then invert. Again, minimum stretch, and it's looking way better now. Again, I will park everything outside. And let's do some puzzling first. Thank you, Super Pro. Yeah, there's a way to unlink your HTT account from Meta. Just go into the HTT Discord and open a ticket. When you're going to the Get Help channel, you will find it. And then I can help you after the stream. First of all, some stacking. Because we are lazy. We want to have the work just once. I'm happy to help. Ta-da. I wonder if we should do different types of liquids inside those dynamites. Since we have two different physical forms here for them, it would be definitely fun and interesting to play with the liquids as well. Since, as I said, we have the option to build two different liquid colors. One on top and one is floating on the bottom, and those are mixing as you shake the whole dynamite. So we can have maybe one with blue, green, or red, blue combination. The other is purple, yellow, or whatnot. There are endless possibilities. And of course we can play with the length like how long after shaking it like crazy it will take for the thing to explode. This could also be fun to witness. So who are you? Where are you? I see some stuff floating on here. Ah, it's up here. I will take care of you later. The rest is well cut. Not you. Bad thing. Bad thing. Means we have to declare one theme. And now it should be good. So let's take all of you. So my first stuff here. This is for the vial. We don't need that. This and most of the stuff is already done here. Now to you, the main body. I wonder if we should slice them up again or keep them. Vertical, vertical. You become vertical, and you. I just put you to the top. And you are the long ribbons down here. You have to grow a bit in size. This looking good, not too bad. And you are check, or you are that one. Okay. Quick cleanup. Then you can sit here. And I have to rotate you or mirror you on the Y. This is nice. Perfect. Hey Hazy, how are you? I can totally not send that little dynamite through VNML services. You have to ask him. I'm sure if you ask him Wes, then he might do you the little favor. This is a part that is not seen because it's inside, so we can just forget about it. You, my darling, you look like one of the top or bottom parts here. You look pretty much like the other ones here. I give them a quick stretch. Beautiful. We can easily stack them. Edit them in one go. Have all of them? Nope. Now I got them. Yo, that's good. They're not looking all the same. That's totally fine for me. Now to you. First some aligning. Oops. I'm so sure if you have a good glass of wine and a good story for Wes that tells him why you want to blow up someone's mail account, then I'm sure he will do something for you. Because to him, nothing beats a good bottle of wine and a good story. Oh, not you. Need them horizontally. Like I said, I could. I don't know, bro. Silly idea I had. I don't know if it's working out, but I thought of maybe trying to get some of the characters of that world, like NPCs, as some sort of interview partner into that stream. Hello, 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 and welcome. Thank you for your follow. My pet rock hat put is on his best celebrity hat to celebrate that you joined us. How are you doing? Yes, it's party time. Let's see, how did we do it for the other one? We were coming up from here, I was sure. And then placed everything where we needed to. But you, my darlings, you go up here. That's a bit hard now. Yes, that part. The overlapping is irritating now. Right. Okay, so we are really here. I can prepare it a bit, I think. Just have to go up there. I can grab line by line. You, my darling, you belong onto that height. And you go down here. Now we got that corner done properly. That's looking nice. Okay, what's next? We got the long straw, that baby here. I have to do some lining. It's looking horrible. Horrible, horrible. Oh gosh. You're not working with me. We have to start from the other side. But we can do this. Was my 3D journey? I think it's okay. I don't still feel like a pro, more like someone who's finally understanding at least a bit of what we are doing here. But it's fun. It's really fun. And it's even more fun to see that more and more community members are chiming in and helping out. This is so wonderful. Because yeah, then the whole game will be finished faster if we work together and not everything is on one shoulder or one pair of shoulders. Yeah, this is really awesome. I'll put this down here. Got some interesting shaping going on here. Now to you. Bum, bum, bum. Do some origami style and see if it's doing a good job for us. I love the orogamis, as some cats said. That's looking nice, but not well aligned. So I will put this one up here, and then we can grab those and mirror them. Wait, come on. We need some variations. When you are here, I'll move you up here. That's it. Are you coming from? Okay, you have these parts. Nothing really I can do for that part. Oh, this, I don't like that line. So let's quickly check on who you are. Fixed. Cool. Quickly save and export those two. Oh, before we export, scaling, sorry. At the beginning, I had a quick look into the size of those babies, and they are 7.5 meters high. So congratulations on some big kabooms. I will quickly select this as a center part, I would say, or let's take this baby. So everything, maybe the small and the big one, they have the center point now. This is where the cursor goes. And when we go outside, I will select you, set the origin to cursor, select the other one, origin to cursor. This is how we can make this properly centered. Same goes for you. Thank you for the wood. And now I can take both of them, and as we scale them down, they are shrinking in the right direction. Small one doesn't look like it's... You're still hovering, my darling. We can change that. Come on. Oops. I'm strong with the caps today. Now, what would be a good size for some dynamite? Let's see. What are your suggestions? How long should one of these babies be? Let's say between 20 and 25 centimeters maybe in height. And you have something in your hand? Not 2 meters. You use Unreal. How's the project so far? Yes, I'm using Unreal Engine 5, and I'm really happy with the engine itself and how the project comes along. Right now we are on, it has 30. Okay, let's stick around 30 centimeters. Right now I'm working on some fixes for the multiplayer, since we are on a first test basis, and some of the community are already able to visit the game on Steam. Hello Damien, how are you? Okay, now this size is okay with around 30 centimeters high. I will select both and we will object apply all transforms. Now this is all nullified and scaled properly, and we can finally export them. I export everything as FBX, since this is how the game wants its assets. Let's save this, and I will have to start the engine. Brum, brum. Thank you. We can need every bit of luck, since programming is 80% of knowledge and experience, and 20% is just luck and magic. La, bam, bam. I can show you what I already prepared, and we have some sounds to insert. Because this is a pretty big thing to do. All the adjustments, etc. I haven't tested my dummy yet. Since the idea to make this this dynamite piece, it came, I don't know, like 3 hours ago or whatever. So I did just a bit of preparation. Most of that went into the material. You can already see my test tube. There we are. So let me show you. The beautiful thing about this is that's the fluid part in the center. I got 2 different colors here, and no matter how you turn it around or shake it, they keep always in the same position, I would say. And now we swap that baby for the real deal. Not yet. When you're shaking it, it changes colors and then bubbles come up. I will test it later. I hope it will do, but we have still enough time for that, I assume. First import everything we need. We got some assets here, the meshes, items. Let's make a new folder. Aurelian bomb. And I will import everything. So import is done. They don't have a material yet, so we will create it soon. Assets, materials. I already have that liquid material here. So let's make a new folder here. I do it under alchemy because it's an alchemy item, I would say. Material. Brassy things. I'm sure there will be more than this one thing. I need texture. Texture sample. Show my metal master somewhere here. Yes. You're going into a multiply first. Then inside here. I need a second one. I got a normal that's matching that one a bit. You need one value for metal, and this will be 1. So full metalish part, and you can see it already. Now to the color that we're mixing in. Need something orangey. Zaki asked me to do it brassy. I see a Starlight world on Steam. Nice golem character, and I see a water control magic. Yes, it's very cozy. Yeah, thank you. Will you do foliage as of the last importance? No. We already have some decorative ones there. No grass yet, but some bushes and trees. But I will bit by bit swap some of them for interactable, let's say, instances, like trees that you can cut down, etc. So there is a lot of stuff that will be changed in the near future. Yeah, but wood cutting is already done and is now implemented into the multiplayer part. So that's nicey. And yeah, we'll see. Let's go back to the assets. Oops, not materials, but meshes. Items. And let's select them. Nope. Do want to edit you. Want to give it my brassy. So one goes in here, material slots. Yeah, that's right. And you go here. I'm sure Ban can do a way better paint job, but for now that's what I do. You did Wishlist. Oh, thank you. Yeah, it's not completely single person stuff. I'm the main dev here. Yes, that's true. But I got the whole community as my helping background, which is so awesome. And they are really helping me out with everything. We have helpers that do some meshes, so I don't have to do all of them. Others can do some texture paint jobs and whatnot. We can definitely go darker for the main body. This is too light. Okay, that's a bit too dark maybe. We need something in between. That will do for the start. But yeah, it's a nice feeling to see what a whole community can come up with. So now to my first attempt on doing that stuff. I will give you a quick tour. What I've done so far. This is the code. I have to do the comments, so we can do this together while I'll explain everything. So first of all, it's reacting on the grip, means it's not always active. You don't have to worry about that it's going off while in your backpack or whatever, or while you have it on the on your toes wherever you go. Activation, deactivation. Typo is free. So whenever you grip it, then we start the tracking of the movement. And whenever you let go, then it will stop the tracking of the movement for the shake detection. When we are inside the active statement, then the event tick. This is a thing that's always running in the background. It's like a clicking TikTok clocky that is working with us or for us. And with every tick that's going through, we are first checking that it's only running on the server. So no client-side plays with people changing their time speed or whatever. That's all server-sided. We're checking if the bomb already went off. Is it already in a critical state? Is what we ask next. Critical state means we don't need to shake it anymore. We already reached a level to activate the fuse. And this is the get shake activity from our impact motion component. I have different components, as you can see here in the list. The damage component helps us dealing with the damage. The impact motion component is everything about movement, impact, velocity. And inside here we have shake detection going through. So it's not only detecting the speed of a thing, like what we need for a proper sword hit. So you're not caressing the skin of your component of your of your player with the sword. You're really hitting it. And on the other side, since we are already on a territory of movement, etc., I don't know if it's working yet, I tried to detect if we are shaking something. So a shake is nothing else than a rapid change in movement direction and speed into different directions. And I hope I caught that on the proper side. And our shake activity will give us the amount of shaking, like the heaviness. Yeah, let's see. So we have several parts here. We'll quickly explain them while I make everything nice and a bit tuck here. So we know it's not critical, so we can go further. If it's already critical, then we don't add to the shaking value and only update the visuals. And we are asking, is the shake amount greater than the shake threshold that we want to see? For now, I start with a 0.2, and if it's big enough to be considered a shake, then we are taking a increase rate multiplied with the tick. At the time that's ticking, we add it to the already mix amount we have when we're mixing those two fluids. The clamp will be taking care that everything we calculate is between 0, that means no mixing up, and the other value is 1, so this is the maximum. Are you using blueprints only, or are you using coding C++? I did C++ coding as well, but the danger to really F up your whole project and make it not readable is pretty high. And so far I had no issues with sticking to the blueprints. And that's totally fine for me. I don't know how others could like prefer the C++ and go into the dangers of compiling errors. I'm totally fine with that. And as a noob to Unreal Engine, it was super easy for me to get into this and to read this. And to be honest, I can code. I do code for a living, but this is the pure beauty for me. I love it. Okay, we increased or decreased the amount of the mixture based on the threshold of the shake. If the shake is greater than the threshold, then we are increasing our mixture amount. If the shake is not greater, like smaller or lesser than the threshold, then we are using the mix decay rate and subtract it from our mixture. After setting, that means saving it as the new mixed amount value, then we come together and we are asking, is it already critical? And if yes, then we have a function that is called critical state. So we're entering critical state. This is a server replicated function. And no matter if we are reaching critical or not, we do a multicast on the mixing effect. Multicast means this bit is running on server and client as well. Server is what does the calculation for us, and the client is what we can see. So we have to separate that. When we are going into critical stage, this is that part. We are asking first, maybe there is some false triggering of that one. Are we already in critical? If it's true, then we don't need to set it in critical as again. If we are not already critical, then we can set it to critical, and we have a critical duration. Means the seconds between you're activating it and it's exploding, and this is set to 3 seconds by now. So you have to be quick. Not much time to debate or think about your life choices. For debug reasons, I am saving that timer handle that is ticking down for us, and we are updating the effects again. When the 3 seconds are down, we are coming into explosion territory. KABOOM. Do you have experience with the state machines? That's something I try to dive into as my next task, but it looks like weird to understand. I have read a bit about it, but to be honest, never used it till now. Maybe later when I need to, but there was no need for me until now. So, as the entering of the critical state, we are doing the same and checking if the explosion already was triggered. So we're asking, has it exploded yet? If it was true, then we don't need to explode again. If false, we are making some some explosion stuff. This is explained later down here. And we triggered as, or we set it as it already exploded. We apply radial damage. So there is no need for some overlapping or some hitting. Everything that is in the radius of, where is it? 400 centimeters, like 4 meters, will get 50 damage. Yeah, the golem right now is only walking on some stuff. I did some, but just little AI yet, because it's not my territory yet. We have another community member that is diving into that topic for me, and I'm so happy to have Lily on board. She does a great job so far, and she already applied some daily routines for our NPCs. This is super cool. But yeah, I don't have to do all at once. I have my little helpers all over the place, and they are, how should I say, they are working for me and give their experience onto me, so I can learn from them and don't have to read all on my own. Thank you for the work, LKW Peter. Okay, on top of the damage, I have some explosion force here. That is an impulse that you can see it here. It's like some invisible ball, and it has a radius of 4 meters, and we have an impulse strength of 3000, and everything that is close to it will just be smacked away. And after that, the dynamite will destroy itself. For the explosion part here, this is separate from this stuff. This is all on the server side. And this is what everyone will see. So this has to be separate. We have still empty, or yet empty, sound location here that we will have to fill, and we have a Niagara system spawned at that location. That is the visible explosion. I will finish my tour and then we will add those sounds. This is the multicast of the mix effect. So while we are mixing, we are changing the color of the liquids inside. We have some nice effect there, and when it's critical, we are having one sound, and when it's not critical, we will hopefully have another sound, but I don't have created that one yet. We can do this together. Mixing visual and sound. This is just the tick. You can play with these boxes and align them. Cool. Next to the sound, I would say I have already 2 sounds prepared. Campfire, audio. Yeah, we need a boom, and we need some boiling stuff. I have to get prepared. You have to make them cues. Sound cues are more than just a sound file. They have a sound radius. I have to wait until the campfire chilled down, so you can hear it then, hopefully. Come on, fire, please stop. Thank you, Virus, for coming by. And have fun with your homework. Yeah, I will have lots of fun with my explosives. I'm sure it will be extraordinary. I don't know what I could say without dropping another ugly pun. So we have the critical sound. I'll quickly stop my music so you can hear it a bit better. I really hope that you can hear that in game, that it's like it's boiling up, it's cranking up. And this sound is exactly 3 seconds long, so that's the length of what we need for our timer. I will add an attenuation, so there is a range of that, and the simple fire source attenuation should do the job. The second one is the bomb explosion. This will be a big, be careful, boom. This will get a bigger one, so it can be heard from more far away. Lightning strike could be okay for that one. Then we have to test it out later if it's good hearable. I would make it a bit louder so it's really, it has to boom. Are you using F mode for the audio? No. I never heard of it, to be honest. You can please enlighten me while I continue playing my music. So here's the sound for the explosion. So I'll just select this. Oh, come on. Select and place. The mighty baboon. A big bada-boom? Yes. Is critical? Yes. Then we have our critical sound. I have no shaking sound yet. Maybe we can come up with one. Until that, it's just empty. Oh no, I haven't heard of that application, but that sounds interesting. Hello, chat, and welcome for stopping by. Everything is saved, so it's really important. Now to the viewport. Here is the old stuff. We don't need that. Oh no, not delete that, but we have to change it. Start with that small one. I have to bring back everything to 0, to 1. I had to scale everything like crazy. Since the pipe I used, it was not fitting well. Where are you? Oh, here. The rest is set on 0. It has to be 1, 1, 1. Now we got it. But it's not Metal Atlas, it's fuzzy things. I'm sure it could look better if we give it different colors, but that would maybe that would explode our time window, since I don't know if it's working from the start. Okay, now we got a bad blueprint because I deleted something. So we go inside here and check for that. Mix amount. Now the target is that grippable mesh. Hello, terrible COD4 player. How are you? Yes, you did. You did. We are creating our first dynamite. And as you can see, it's not just a fuse that you can light up with some fire. Instead, it's a beautiful piece of alchemy. As I see, I have to move some things around. Explosion force, velocity. Is this weird thing going on? I have to move that. Shouldn't be too far away. Are you the force here? Yes. That's better now. Because this is the explosion radius, where you can see the force coming. The velocity tip is my little helper. It's just placed somewhere and it will detect the movement, hopefully. So what I can show you already is you can tilt it around. And those liquids, they will stay like this. Welcome, train KABOOM. Friday was quite a day. Have there been any updates? I do quite a few updates. I'm working right now on fixing multiplayer stuff. So now I can show you a bit more about the material inside here. That could be fun. Let's go in here. This is a lot for that bit of fluid inside there. But we got some parameters here. We have height offset to tell where the point is, where those two meet. We can tell how strict or how soft the corner will be between them, and we have colors. We have 2 colors for the top, 2 colors for the bottom, so we can have different effects on them. And I brought up this red, rosy pink stuff as a mix color. That means when activated, it will change into that bright color. I have the problem with quieting. Oh, that's already fixed. So no worries. I have changed a bit about the crouching part. Question. What colors should we use for that baby here? We got some blue, purple down there and some greenish yellow on the top. What would you prefer? Blue and purple would be good. Okay, so blue on top, purple on bottom, maybe. can do something more greenish or whatever. As you can see, I can do some light changes to the color up there. There's green, yellow. Try some crazy green on the bottom. And fun thing is we can change it for the big one. The blue-green look pretty good. We go back here. Some blue-green. And I have another parameter here for the mixing. And it can increase and change how the thing works here. To change the bubble speed. 0. Like this. Wrong direction. Yeah, this is how it looks like for now when it's activated and close to burst. I want to check what opacity is doing for us. And for that, I will change it from opaque to translucent. Let's try 0.7. What do you guys think? Is it good to see, too hard to read? Can make it a bit more opaque. The 0.9. We have still some bit of translucency. Yeah, so for every future dynamite we can have 3 colors: the top color, bottom color, and the mixture color. And it's slightly, just slightly glowing in the dark. I'll try to show it to you. Let me take that sky and I turn off the light. You can see it's still pretty bright, so it's visible. I don't want to give it a proper glow because yeah, that would be maybe too distracting. Blue and green will blend with the environment. Maybe it's not so good. That's a good call. Maybe we should do some more aggressive color choices. I will bring it back to the normal state. Maybe more a brighter yellow for the bottom. Dark red with dark blue maybe. If we're already having red inside, then we need something else for the mixed state. That's popping. And I have something like this as well. Dark blue with dark purple. Let's see. Really into purple territory. Purplish tone. The possibilities are nearly endless. I got some stuff laying around here. Let's see if I can more of them. Oi. Oh, it's the wrong direction. Well, positioning. Put some more things on the table here. Not everything is properly this one properly reacting, but we got already some things here that could get smacked away by the explosion. So let's bring this baby kind of here, and I will show you my test explosion. Looks like ice slushy. It made me so hungry. You're mean. The messages, those are the same as I got here. Those are meant for me for debugging purposes. As soon as we leave the test stadium, the first one, then I will be able to delete them. But yeah, they are hard to read if you don't know how. But I think it's already stated somewhere in the playtest update. Okay, now to that wonderful thing. I have this tick up here. But if we hijack it and we go for the mix amount, we get it and we set it forcefully. Plus 0.02 maybe. Then we can hopefully trigger a natural detonation. So I can now simulate how it's doing, and we will hopefully have some boom and these things flying off. You can see the counter down here. It's getting more aggressively. It's slowly changing color, building up bubbles. This is super slow because otherwise we can't see it. Woo! Oh, that was quite. Oh, let's do it again without the music, so you can enjoy the sound of the building up, because that was quite nice. I will make it a bit faster. This should be enough. Nice. Yes. Let's give this baby some physics. Do you have physics? Simulate physics. Here we are. Yeah, now it can drop. I don't have a train yet. But what I have is this baby here, and I will make a nice video of that because this is beautiful. Ah, this is so cool. I love it. I love it. Let's bring back my musical. Something chill after a good kaboom. This needs to go to Discord. Discord, where are you? You lazy thing. I need to post this. All stuff in progress. So, but it's not done yet. It's not done yet. I will go into a small be right back pause, and after that break, I will come back and we will test the shaking in VR and then make the bigger one with some bigger explosion. We can have different colors then, etc. But for now I have to quickly go look for the kids if they are well inside of the bed and tell them good night. So yeah, in let's see 3 minutes or something. So take this as an opportunity to take the beverage of your liking, and then I'll be back. Bye bye. Oops, wrong one. Kaboom! I'm back. So let's return. Thank you, Zeki. And welcome, Braythian. Braythian? Braythian. I think it's called like that. So welcome to the stream. Let's have one nice kaboom here on the table. Whoops. And just send off all that stuff to everywhere. That's impressive. But what we still need to check if that shaking does get detected. So that's the hard part. I will quickly set up my quest for that. For the next couple of minutes, I will. Where's it? Studio mode. I will deactivate my avatar because yeah, it's hard to track myself when I'm wearing my VR headset. But I'm still here. I promise. Quickly reactivate the connection to my PC. And then we can start testing. With the Quest 3, it's super nice. I really love it. Working with that device is so cool. Here, it's good. And now we can go into that world. I swap for VR preview. And now we can see that baby for the first time. I'm pretty much sure we have to adjust some things about how it's weighted, etc. Yeah, it's pretty heavy still. So we will change that first. I will just grab from my stick everything I have here. Grip interface settings. So it's 2250 130. Gosh, what's wrong with my mouth today? Teleportation. This and this. Blindside movement. This should be good now. I just keep on my headset. This is so nice. This feels pretty good for now. I don't know if we can already detect some shaking. Doesn't look like that. So let's go back to my favorite hobby, printing the hell out of it. Oh, you see nothing. Oh, sorry. And I have to update that window. Give me a sec. Yeah, preview. I start it and update my window here. Okay, now another test for you guys. You can see it. This one. I don't have a proper grip position yet for that. Maybe we should establish one. For now, it's just grabbable everywhere. But no matter how I shake it, there is no change to it. We can just see the colors wiggling here for the pseudo fluid. Oop. Okay. So I will have to check on the not on that part, because yeah, it's already working. We can start here. Print string. Oh, and we have to change this. I'm blind now. Okay, server serving. Nothing yet. As you can see, the hellos on the side, they tell you, yeah, I said I will deactivate my avatar because you can't see me anyway. Well, I'm wearing the VR headset. Please listen, Gizzy. Listen and repeat. So this is working. We are on the server side. Let's get inside here. Try to get the shake activity. See what the number is. If it's like 0, then we know, okay, we have to work on the calculation first. As you can see, it stays 0. So no shaking detected. This is the tick from our general speed detection. We can go here for that part. And print a hello, so you can see if this one is even chord. It's in nothing, so this is not chord. Not a problem of the it's not showing again. Gosh, why? No, of the same type program. I hope it will do something. Let's try it if it's loading. Nope. I am not showing. Give me a sec. I will just try to show you the simulation. Okay. I go out of this window and bring it back. Let's see. You can still see it. We can swap back and forth. Now, finally. Thank you. Thank you for nothing, OBS. So we got one stringy here, but it's not what we need. So let's see if we have the tracking enabled at all. We just write tracking. Okay, so the tracking is starting as I pick up that baby. This is good. The track component, see if this is valid or if it got elected. Component is doing. And let's see, the current speed has to be bigger than the speed threshold. Maybe this is too big to be set up or whatever. Let's bring, is the current speed set. Need to make a new print string. Maybe we need another threshold for shaking than the creating part. Oh, so the value is super low, but it's like nothing.
Panther Pancake gifted us with 5 coins.
Oh my gosh, thank you. 5 coins for some explosion that I can hopefully set up soon. So as you can see, the component on the client side is well triggered. Server says component as well, so this is good. But we have 0 on the velocity. Thank you, Pancake. You're supporting me in the darkest hour where nothing works. Thank you. I really appreciate. The track component in our case is the velocity tip. That baby here. Maybe we should give it some replication. Maybe then it's playing with us. Was the whole bay not replicated as well? Got deactivated. Sorry. They're not giving us what we need. Let's go back here and I will try to track the speed here. We just keep this one. So I know where we are going. Speed is 0, that's nice. Server is giving us some speed now. I think it's not from that. Let's let that go. Something else is tracking now, I suppose. Not me. Take one of the sticks. Yeah, and as you can see, it's firing numbers like crazy. But it's not what we need. Movement detection is all doing fine. We got some hellos on the way here. for the shake detection. The current speed, everything goes in here. I wonder why we get stuck. Let's try something. I will now print the name of that one. So you can grab it. And then I will ask for it and only show what belongs to that one. As you can see, those are ticking right now. And that stone axe is doing something for now. Yeah, already I shake bomb velocity. What's triggered for a moment? But it's only with so small numbers. We're getting bigger numbers. Maybe we can now see where we have to go. This is something around 0.1. So we never get to this threshold, which is meant for cuts. Like really, when you are cutting a tree or swinging a sword, you need numbers like these, but we don't get them with just the shaking, which means we have to go not from here, but from there. This one goes through. So we have this additional if we are less than the threshold for that one, and I think I have for the shake min shake speed. Do the same trick. Greater equal. Branch it. Have to make more space. Go inside here, and if not, then you go and mix with the others. Minimum shake speed has to be way, way smaller. 0.05 maybe. Let's quickly save everything. So many unsaved files. Getting nulled. This is the weirdest thing. Zero. Let's try to modify the situation a bit. I'm taking away that scene that got between us. Yep, I have to change this now. Another one here. Okay, we got everything. We have the fear that our velocity tip is not bought. Definitely have to check on that one. Check activity. To get both. Now we're getting some numbers. Why did you just explode? That was too fast. That was too heavy. Okay, so we got some shaking now. Question is why? Got it on remote. It's not working on authority. I think because the server doesn't see it yet. At least the shake activity. Let's make mix amount. We print it. But where should we print it? Let's print it here from the start. We need to see the mix amount. Then I at least know when it goes kaboom. And it's not scaring me like that. As you can see, it's counting up, it's counting down. That was close. But it's not triggering correctly what I can see. If I stay just with the server, I'll bring you here, you go here and here, and it will show me the activity from this view. And you can see it's always only telling server on the side here. I don't know why it's shouting client as well. Do I have prints here? Yeah, we have to get rid of those prints. Test it again. It's counting up and then it's done. First of all, it's a bit fast. We have to make it way, way slower. That mix amount, so the mix increase rate has to be lowered. Yeah, I did have some pasta. Let's make it just a 15, so you have to shake it a bit longer. We need some more shake. But it's not getting us off guard. That's a bit too long. Let's make it 25 then. It should be able to cool down when we don't shake it. It's still counting up. That's dangerous. It should not do that. Okay. That means shake threshold. Yeah. Oh my gosh.
355 gifted us with 5 coins.
Thank you, Zaki. Thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. And I hope you like what you see here. Okay, now we have to check the difference between the shake activity we are getting here and the threshold. We'll deactivate that for now. See, we got super low numbers, and then it's gone. Okay, let's go here. Shake threshold 0.2. We have to go higher. Let's make it 0.8. So heavy shakes are needed. That should decrease the fear of activating it while we're just having it resting in our hand or walking around. As you can see, I'm shaking heavily now. Okay. Still kabooming. Let's shake it a bit less. Okay, it's still counting upwards. Maybe it was already enough. A 10 here. It's everything about optimization and how to make it feel right. I'm shaking it a bit and I let it be. It's still counting upwards. So this is weird. It should not do that, of course. And it should at least stop as I drop it. Okay, let's make... I can do some stuff here. Tick enabled. So we are enabling the tick and it's not cooling down. No, I can't do this. Is held. We are using this one as well. It should not count up when it's not held. You have to go here. So critical. Threshold, yeah, like here. I'm asking if it's held. And we're using this as an additional part here. Boolean, it has to be held. It should decrease now at least. we have a decay rate? Yes. Bit of shaking and dropping. Yes. Bit of shaking and dropping. That's okay. But holding itself is enough. No, it's not. So what's it's still missing is the sound and the material part. Let's try to fix this. And for that we, I think, don't need the VR. I can come back to you. Put on my nice headphones again so I can hear you better. Freedom for my face. Ta-da! Okay. Since the shaking is doing fine, and deactivate that. I will just do the counting up again. So I have some natural working up of the numbers. 0.01. Now we can test how this is doing and working. And if it's giving us the effect again. Oh, sorry, still VR. New window, no, I can't do that. We have to do it in selected viewport. Yeah. We got the sound now. Are we still as a client? Yes. So one is not getting that correctly. Enter critical state. Multicast mix effect. Why do we see you when I'm not in VR? Quickly check that in another window, just to be sure. Okay, we're getting the boom effect. Why didn't I get it while shaking? So it is possible. It is doing something. I have to go into VR. Sorry. I have to see it again. There has to be something. Where's my bomb? Oh, it already went off. Just me that I can't hear it, but I was able to see it. I was able to see the color change and everything. So let's skip that part and try it again. When I have to, can you see the window? Yes. And I quickly have to swap the output so I can hear whatever's happening there. scary! I can't see it. Oh gosh. Okay, we get the sound of the explosion itself, but we are getting not the regular color change. That was intense. Thank you, Gizzy. Okay, let's see. Is critical true? Update visuals. Update material visuals. Maybe because you are a function. Yep, this is the wrong one. Yes, delete it. And we are using the multicast mix effects instead. I don't know why we are not getting them here. It should do multicast mix effects. Intercritical. We're triggering it all over the place. Wait, intercritical. Is critical force. Yeah, then it should just update. Multicast mix effects. Maybe there's something wrong on that one. Multicast mix effects. So it's playing well while we are not in VR, so we are not properly on the server. And this is multicast, so it's played out on everyone. This baby, are you replicated? Movement is component replicated. Maybe it's not replicated well, so we don't see that material change. Let's have a question here. Thank you, Gizzy. At least the amount of wood is now decent and not all over the top. Okay, material parameters, they don't replicate on their own. Dynamic material instance. Okay. You need to replicate the material. Oh my gosh. How do I do this? Unwrap mix amount, set color. Dynamic material instance. Do we have something like this? Create material instance. We're using now that one. Instance. is how do we do a dynamic material instance? The material instances, the normals are static. Inside of the blueprint. Let's see this. Take my static mesh. Create dynamic material instance. Ah. Source material. This. Target is the mesh. Element index. Most likely 0 baht. In our case, I think they mean that one, so it's 1. Okay, we are saving that one in a variable. This is so wild. Let's see, do I do this on construct or on event begin play? I'm learning new things again. Okay, begin play. And then we save promote to variable and we call it liquid material, like this. Begin play, that's done. Update. Let's color parameter, okay. Value. That is correct. That could be it. Then we have hopefully the visuals. And then we have to find out why we don't have that location sound yet. So I will jump in. See the window? Yeah, you can. This baby again. I don't trust it anymore. fell through. Great. It had other plans. Okay, access none, trying to read property liquid material. Haven't I saved you? Maybe try it with the 0 instead. Name. Copied out the whole thing. But it's not kabooming it as well. Yeah, it's still giving me access now. I'm trying to read property. We will see. The set call is going before the liquid material is validated. I thought I did it right. Create dynamic material instance. Create dynamic material instance. Okay. The slot is the correct one. Mesh slot, mesh component room. No, the mesh is the correct one, slot is the correct one. Optional name. Maybe we have to use a name. Make quickly screenshots to share my issue. Let's check if it's valid first. And if it's not valid, then we just jump it. I want a print here. So when it's properly called, then it should do something. I will try with that again, just as a test. We have at least something to see here. Okay, now it got stacked. That was some wild one. Let's see if it's doing the same thing when we are in VR. That sounded cursed. Yes, it did. But it sounded at least like something. I'll have a quick test here. Yeah. Do it again so I can observe it from here. That's interesting. Okay, so this one is now triggering here. It's visible. No color change again for me. Not for me. What's the difference? Like if we directly change the mix amount, then we get the color change. There is still some authority stuff going on and mingling with us. It should at least change the color when we are fully on the critical. We're getting something here. On the multicast. Let's see. Is taking a nap. Okay. Good mixed reaction. Tell me I did something wrong. Let's see. And maybe let's take none here. Okay, and I should take this as an empty one. That should be better. Material. Okay, this is done. Material dynamic object reference. Let's see. Material instance dynamic type. Let's let's see. Event begin play. Okay, this is a bit more difficult now. Let's go. Is valid, is done. Give me a sec. Oh, you got some wood, some weed. You want some weed? Thank you for the wood. Shake activity. So maybe the shake activity doesn't get properly through. Custom mix effects. Try it again just for testing purposes. So this is what the shader gets. And as you can see, it's all server and client side. And only the server has the number. We soon have it. Okay. So since we got the mix amount only on the server, not on the client side, that means there is some issue. Color parameter. Okay, we have to replicate mix amount. Or that would be notify. Mix amount. I'm taking away this, all of this. Multicast effects. And we are activating it here. So whenever the mix amount changes, it should update our visual. Oh, it's faster. It's a bit faster. Yeah, it's getting ugly. Looked directly into it. It caught me off guard. Okay, now it's properly doing what it should do. At least this part. Let's say do once for that sound. Still need to see where we are wrong here with that sound. Maybe make you a bit louder. It was, hello, garbage crafter. Yeah, it was just trying to scare me. I was sure it would go off. Let's make a sequence here. We have both. Because I want to reset it as soon as we are below critical. So it's only going off once. No question, why can't we hear you properly? Maybe you were not loud enough? That could be a thing. But I didn't see that part. I just woke up. Yeah, I will do that in a sec. But for this, I will have to turn off my avatar, so it's not looking weird, because it's not getting tracked while I'm in VR. And we are stopping the music to have the sound. I have to hear if the bomb is going or not. I can hear the kaboom, but then it's too late. We need the sound of the fuse. So far, this is the beauty. It's getting nervous when you shake it, when you move it. Now it's stabilizing again. But there's no sound. I missed this sound. You should try another sound. Maybe this one is just broken. Has other issues. So I can hear the cue. Maybe it's the wrong attenuation, or we just leave that for a bigger one. Hmm. 1.5 maybe. Save it. And then let's try it again. No. Nothing. No sound. Maybe the is critical is wrong here. Maybe it doesn't get properly updated here in this case. And we have to trigger it separately. Let's make another multicast just for that sound. Custom event. Thank you for the word. You are called multicast fuse sound. You are multicast, you're reliable, and you're just handling that. Oop. And we can delete all of that. Multicast fuse sound. Let's try it again. Okay, it's triggered too often, but we have to do it once. We have to do it once. A single do once will do here. And we can increase the speed of how fast it will go up. Was that a lot of shaking? Oh, I can hear it. That worked. Let's make it a bit faster. So, the mix increase rate is now 0.1. Let's make it 0.2, so it's twice the sound. First the boom and then the bubbler. I thought the bubble would be cool to like it's cranking up, it's boiling up inside. You can hear it again. So let's test it again. We still need a shake sound, so it makes a shaking noise. It. Okay, that worked well. Now let's try it with these things. If we are getting some nice detonation here. I'm so bad at throwing. I just leave it there and run away. So it blew away some
gifted
stuff.
us with 5 coins for even more badabum.
Thank you. A lot of bada-boom. Okay, so this is part 1. We got a small one now. And let's make a bigger version of that since we have another model. I will just take this actor. Let's make a child blueprint. Big one. What I do here is we have the S. We have now the biggie. Isn't it cute? Isn't it? Handle with care. Geezy, geezy, geezy. So I'm not fully happy with the color job because it's pretty boring here. But I'm sure the beautiful Bun Bun will treat us with the nicest and best paint job we can ever have. I have seen their works and they're beautiful. Okay, now this is done here. We have to maybe adjust some things. How can I change things? Mix amount, increase rate, decay rate. We have to change thingies here. I need a bigger radius and a bigger damage maybe. So for this, let's create damage. Load. So the basic one is 50. And the explosion force, we have to see if we can set it up here somewhere. Set radius. And we will set up explosion radius. We already have that, sorry. Let's call it explosion force radius. Explosion force radius. So the normal one is 400. This will be our basic value. You are in danger. Oh, yes, you are. So now it will be set up here. And our biggie can have, let's see, critical state, explosion radius. What should we take? It has to be more boom, of course. Damage. Twice the damage? Like super heavy. We will just kill ourselves. Explosion force radius. So you really have to be careful. And I wonder if we can swap the animation. Spawn system at location. Let's make this. What is this? Niagara system object reference. Explosion animation. Niagara system. Here we are. Object reference. We get inside here. Compile. And save this. So this will be the basic explosion. Boop. And now we can change for another one. I want to present you. We have different explosions. This is the one that I'm using right now. We've got this one as well. This is also nice, pretty big. So we have to remember the number 1. Number 2 has another color to it. And I love the orb in the center. I think that this just adds to the thing. But wait, there's more. Number 4. This one has an atomic mushroom. I think it has a taste to it. Garbage Crafter seems to be impressed at least a bit. This does a lot, KABOOM. Number 5. This is more like water stuff. Right, it's not properly loaded yet. Come back. It's not coming back. Oops. Wrong one selected. Explosion 6. Again, this is the one. It's pretty small. That's why I chose it. Next to it, this one is bigger. First one or second? Let's have them next to each other. Both have their charm. The yellow one or the bluish one? Blue or yellow? Blue or yellow? Zeki says yellow. Yeezy says yellow. So it's number 1. Explosion number 1. Now I have to change it a bit because it's right now going infinite. And it has to go just once. For testing purposes, the infinite is cool because you can see it multiple times. I'm just a fan of the atomic looking one. Yeah, I think we need to make like a third option, a third size for that atomic one because it's lovely. And it really has its own place. So now we swapped it for the one. Time to see if they are separate now and not the same bomb. Let's go to the folder. And place that baby. Big one, big one. If you smash the dynamite into the pond, can you use it for another fishing method? Maybe. Then we have to activate that on purpose. Because as we plan it, or as we have it implemented right now or prepared right now, all the fish in the pond are just for visuals. They are not really, they aren't responding until you caught one. But we can implement, like, if there is like a radial bomb in there, then we can make some of the fish just come up. It's having 2 states at the more like try than smoke. What? Garbage Crafter, please explain. Well, I need to see this in VR. Oh, I'm so scared. I'm so scared. Let's hide me. Here we are. Big one. This is a nervous bastard. Oh, below the table. I think we nuked it. Yep, those are dead. Maybe they are still visible for me, but not really there anymore. Since they got just nuked away. Like this baby here. So I'll go outside. Let's try and see if we can hurt a dummy with it. Made it a secret third variant, which is very hard to craft. And when you use it in the first time, you get the achievement Oppenheimer. Oh, that's dark, easy. You know how there was like a radius on atomic one along with the smoke? Just don't make the smoke a mushroom cloud and make the radius more visible, and not both at once. We can do some adjustments to them, just making a copy and playing around with them. That's also an option. But first I want to see if there's a dummy I can... Where is the dummy? This one. Do you get that damage? Test. No, Mr. Dummy. Okay, it's not damaging yet. We have to see why. You are a lucky bastard. And those are so cute. By the way, this is my testing area, and I just love to play around with these creatures, to have them around. Ooh, hello. While I'm playing with explosives and such. And those two are just cute. They always hang out with each other, like a couple. Let's see. Oh, it would be dark if you named the achievement Sunburn Incoming. Dang! Easy. What are you doing? So you are replicated. Event any damage. Let's see if there's something. This is a custom event. I wonder how we can apply that. No, 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 no. Easy, shish, shish, shish. Nighty-night, Zeki? Or are you just calling it a nightlight? Event any damage. Okay, we already have the event any damage. The explosion achievement. Ah, you're going to kill me. What's wrong with you guys? Oh my gosh. We're getting dark now, I can see it. I have not expected that from you, darling. Watch the world burn, yeah. Elmo meme incoming. Let's see if we can fix the dummy. Mm. So Naren tells maybe still my radial damage. Explosion force, apply radial damage. Damage type, maybe just none. Base damage is 50. Maybe we have to multicast the damage as well. Firestarter XXL. I can see Garbage Craft is already fleeing the scene. We can bring back the music at least. Okay, apply radial damage is something for the server. Applicate it to all. Knockback. Okay, let's see. Trigger explosion. Apply radial damage. Rearrange that just a bit. The impulse. Much closer. Much radius. Server. Are you on server? You have to be server only, darling. Maybe like this. Yanking dark mode now, yes, because you're all dark. And I'll quickly hide, so you can go into VR. Let's try to kill that. Nothing. There is a return value, so we can print that. Why? Why? Has anyone seen the print? I will check the log now. Hello, garden. What have you done for work? I hope it wasn't not too heavy. Can turn off the dark mode now. Yeah, no insects were harmed during the test. That's for sure. Let's check the output log. I want to see them somewhere. There must be a true or a server. The logs are pretty long. If there's something that has to be down there. Here it is. Dynamic. Dummy training C1 server. Hello. Okay. Where's that hello coming from? If health is below 0. Oh. You have the perfect achievement. Oh. Easy. Why? Let me hear it, okay? I will take it. Recreational administrator, which means managing multiple responsibilities simultaneously. Ooh, that sounds exactly like your job. Today, for example, I coordinated and supported an event with over 500 attendees. Wow! That's cool. Impressive. I'm not sure if I could do that. So it seems like the dummy is getting the damage, but it's not properly replicated, maybe. This could explain why I couldn't punch it. It's really rewarding. Oh, I can't believe that. I think it's the dummy. Let's try and get the damage amount. Then string. Try to see my damage of 100. We get something. That was something. I've seen it. After you set the secret bomb, you get the achievement. Nah, Giselle. Why, Giselle? Why? I can't really tell if I'm just like this, like, oh, or if you make me. How dare you? So, if I have seen it right. That's okay. There's a lot of not owning. To clear that damn thing. Yeah. It received the damage. It received the damage. Can I just clear the console? Never used that command down there. So we're getting some. Close everything on the right and just focus on the dummy for the last couple of minutes. Enemy damage, damage amount, crash wood and hit. So it should do something. Health bigger 0. Maybe our bomb is too big for it. Fast flow 100, damage amount is damage. Health is health minus damage. We can make this a bit shorter. Should maybe clamp it here. This could be an issue. Let's clamp it. So the minimum is 0 and the maximum is 100. No, not like this. Do we have a max health? No. We declare it as... Oh. Opening the C++ again. I hate it. When you double click on the nodes, then it may happen. Why are we asking this? It's so doubled. I only want to know if this is 0. Maybe we can save it. It's resetting its damage after the hit. That's totally fine. You're not getting some damage from before. Construction has nothing. Enemy damage is here. So let's see. We're getting the damage amount. and we are doing that function. This text render that I just added for our testing purposes. It lives up here, rent-free. It should have reacted to it. Typo. Setting the text. Is it smaller? As you already have that inside of enemy damage. The some additional things going on here. That's pretty doubled. Setting animation modes, etc. Maybe we already fixed it. This is the revival, and this is the death part. But what's going on in here? Oh, it's just the hit and the crash audio. It's just the audio in here. Let's give it another try. If we can harm him. First I try. Oh, my table is in the way. Would you? Oh gosh, I hate it. I can't work like this with the table. I can try. You reacting on me? You're not reacting to these. Nothing here. And maybe it's just the dummy and I have to fix that. I killed everything in the radius. Let's maybe end the stream for today with a last big boom. I can try to throw it into the air in the last bit of second, so we have some makeshift fireworks. A throw, I don't know. I'm so bad at throwing. 2, 3. That's fun. Next one. This was cool. Next time we definitely have to add a throwback for our player. So when you are too close to it, you will get smashed at the next wall. But this is something for another stream. Because yeah, it's getting late. Genki's getting tired, and I think we did a good job. So yeah, let's say goodbye for today. It was so fun to work with you, and I hope you enjoyed the feature so far. There's still a lot to do. One in each hand and then shake. Next time, maybe next time. Where's my bye-bye screen? Oh, there it is. Ta-da! So everyone, thanks for watching. Thanks for being with me and supporting me so greatly. Hello to the 3 new followers. And thanks for everyone who is here supporting me, having fun with me. It's such a nice journey and I have the time of my life with you. I hope you have the same faith in that, let's say, project that's so dear to me. And yeah, we'll see each other next on Wednesday, I think. If not, I will tell you. But I wish you just a good day, good night, good whatever time zone you are in. I love you all and bye-bye.